A very interesting question is asked. Can I join as an officer by offering bribe? Now, let me try and explain this. While I was a commanding officer, our men, they used to come and say, "Sir, we have paid bribe and come to defense forces." Now, I always used to wonder because army has done a lot of groundwork to make the entire system very, very transparent. Let me explain this Jawan's selection process first before I come to the officers selection part. For the men, the physical tests are carried out right in front of everyone, so there can't be any hanky-panky. For otherwise, a board of officer is chosen for the selection, for the recruitment rally from various units, and a doctor is also taken from outside. So they are attending the recruitment rally for the first time, and it's very difficult for people who are joining hands for the first time to get into something like taking bribe. Then the paper which is conducted, the written examination for men, it is set somewhere else, conducted in the recruitment center, and they are checked somewhere else. Then the results are compiled, right? So, but still men used to say that we've paid bribe and come, so I investigated a little further. I found that these touts, what they will do is, they will say, okay, I'll make you join defense forces as a Jawan, but you will have to pay 2 lakh rupees to me. Suppose he gathers this 2 lakh rupees from 10 candidates. So he's got 20 lakh rupees. And his promise is, if you don't get selected, I will just take 5,000 rupees as administrative charges and rest of the money I will return to you. Suppose on their own, out of those 10, 2 people get recommended. So he will keep their 2 lakh rupees, and they are also very happy because they got recommended, so they won't question this guy. And from the 8 people, he will charge 5,000 rupees each, so 40,000 there. So he has got 4,40,000 rupees for doing nuts. Because, even if a retired, JCO or somebody who goes and, meets the recruiting officer and says, "Sir, weather is very good, how are you doing?" And Jai Hind, and comes back. But does nothing more than this, and 2 people get recommended, he has made his day. But let me assure you, there is no bribe that works there these days. Now let's get down to the officers selection part. Now for the officers selection, wherever there is a written examination involved, that is conducted by the Union Public Service Commission, which is an independent body, doesn't directly come under defense ministry. So that's an independent exam, you have qualified and come. Then the screening test is conducted by the interviewing officer, psych, and the GTO, who may not be your assessors in the board. Then for the rest of the 4 days, your assessment, the GTO, interviewing officer, and psych, they do not discuss performance of candidates with each other. They only discuss your performance on the last day, that is the conference day. That's where they exchange notes to say how they have graded you. Now, let's take hypothetically that you've been able to convince one of the assessors that he should favor you. Now, suppose this assessor gives you marks which are much out of league than the other 2 assessors, then how will he justify those marks? Because other 2 would have assessed him on his actual caliber. So it will become very difficult. So it doesn't work out in SSB. I have not met an officer in the career who, even over the drinks, have made slightest of mention that he's given bribe and come there. And let me add in the same breath, my son had to go for SSB, and I was working in SSB at that time. There is a stipulation that if somebody is in the army, leave aside in selection board, you are supposed to declare that beforehand. So moment you declare that my father or he's working in SSB or he's in the defense forces in that particular station, then your SSB will be shifted from that board to some other board where you're not there. So that is the reason you find lot of children of senior defense officers also, they do not make it to SSB because it's purely based on the performance. We at the SSB do get recommendations at times from senior officers. They would say he's he's worked with me or something, but all those recommendations which come there as a matter of rule, they are torn and thrown into the dustbin without even informing to the assessors that they have come. So it's a very, very fair system. Don't even think about bribing. And even if you bribe and get any job in this world, in your own eyes, you will not appreciate it, because in defense forces you are dealing with real situations. They are not fake situations, right? So be capable enough to join defense forces, then only you will enjoy working there. That's it for today. Thank you. Jai Hind.